hope you're having a good day today. So today's video is going to be featuring one in particular men's hair product that I absolutely love. And I just want to start by saying it's interesting how hair products are marketed for men and women. I find that sometimes just a different scent in the products. Sometimes the men's hair products are far better to use than the women's. I have a few products to show you today. One in particular I'm going to use. So if you've been a long time subscriber of my channel, this is called Johnny B Fuddy. I did a video on this previously, and this is a very interesting product that helps with volume. It looks very strange. It helps with volume, and if you have super fine hair, this is a really good product. Also marketed for men, Johnny B. Another one that I've used that I really like if you're looking for a subtle definition, a subtle product. This is called Harry's Texturizing Putty, and it is really hard. It feels almost like wax. This is really good if you have super short hair. I use this when I get my hair cut super short. It makes it kind of easy to style. And then the feature of today's video, which this is not sponsored or anything, but I actually bought this from Ulta. It is the Blind Barber Sea Salt Spray, 40 proof. And oh my goodness, I've been using this for about 2 weeks. And I love it, I love it, I love it. I've tried a whole bunch of different sea salt sprays. One in particular I really like from Osensia, but this is my new favorite. It has a lot more oomph than a regular sea salt spray, and I find that it gives me a lot of volume. So I'm gonna use this today. So let me just read you the back so that you can hear what this is all about. The 40 proof sea salt spray is a protein-rich spray that gives your hair an extra boost of volume and texture. The formula is infused with sea salt and hops to mimic those just off the beach waves with the perfect body. For best results, spray evenly, starting at the roots on damp or towel-dried hair. Parabens and artificial dyes, never. Handsome, always. It's so funny how they marketed this completely for men. But I really, really love this, and it's my new favorite. So, my hair is damp. I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna do a really simple style today. I'm gonna start with this, and I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and I'm not gonna use any heating tools other than the blow dryer. So here goes. By the way, the smell is amazing. I can't even describe it. It doesn't smell like it's for men. It has almost an oceany smell, almost like a hint of coconut. I use a lot. I want my hair completely coated in this stuff. Oh, I could smell this stuff all day. The smell is just amazing. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry. Okay, if you ever want like a fresh look that you haven't tried before, or just to change things up every once in a while, blow dry your hair going the opposite way, which is what I did today. I usually wear my hair this way, but when I go this way, when I haven't done it in a while, look at all the volume on top. It's just amazing. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing with my hair until after I blow dry it to see where things are laying. I am going to use Harry's since I have it right here, and this is all about men's products, but they work great on women. I'm gonna go ahead and use this and just kind of play with my hair while I kind of fill you in on my weekend. So I'm just getting about that much here. This is one of those, like I said, it works really good for short hair, but it works okay for longer hair too. This stuff is a bit sticky because it's a texturizing paste. Many pastes are kind of sticky, and if you're not into the sticky kind of feeling, then I probably wouldn't use a texturizing paste or a putty. You don't need that much, right? You just want to play with the hair, coat it a little bit, So this weekend, I think I've told you guys this before, but we live like 1 minute from a lake, and my husband's parents have a jet ski and they brought it over, and we spent like 5 or 6 hours at the lake yesterday. It was wonderful. It was warm. The water was wonderful. We just had a blast. And I took Friday off, so I got a 3-day weekend. So that was really nice. I'm really liking how this is looking. It's looking sleek, but has lots of volume, and I would totally wear this as an everyday style. I love it. This feels really good and lots of volume. As you can tell, I am really needing a haircut. My hair now is well over my ear. I have a salon in mind. I am gonna call there this week and try to make an appointment, but I think in the next 2 or 3 weeks, I definitely need a trim. Get a little more putty on for this side. Depending on your sideburns and how long they are, you can really have your sideburns create some definition to your hair, kind of like this. So when I had my hair cut this last time, it was complete razor cut, and so that's how come it's not real choppy growing out. Razor cuts, I feel like they grow out better than just straight cuts. It kind of depends on your preference. I've done both scissor cuts and razor cuts before. I personally cannot razor cut my own hair, but I can do an undercut pixie and kind of trim up my hair. Just the very basics, like we survived through the whole pandemic without going to the salon. But now that everything's opening up again, I have just really been excited to get back out there and get back in civilization again. Okay, I'm gonna have to move my camera up. I don't know if you can see my flowers today, but my mom picked some fresh lavender and some herbs so that I could put that in my window. Love, love getting summer flowers. And I actually, just to kind of let you know, I am working on a garden video from my mom's garden. Probably gonna come in 2 or 3 weeks, but super excited about it. Focus will be on raspberries. And I also wanted to make another plug. I have been getting a few pictures a week. I am saving up pictures of my subscribers and their pixie cuts for a kind of compilation video. If you have a pixie cut, or even if you don't have a pixie cut and you want to send me your picture, I will feature all of the pictures I get in my compilation video. So if you're interested, I know all the subscribers out there would want to see your picture as well, so please send your picture in if you'd like it featured. So I think we are about done. I'm really happy with the look. I think you can probably already tell the sea salt spray does a lot of good for volume. It's wonderful. A big thumbs up on this product for pixie cuts. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair. This is just my hairspray that I've had forever. This is Aquage finishing spray, and I will spray the front and the back. Let's have a look at the back real quick, because anytime you're doing a style like this, and if you don't look at the back, sometimes you will not be so pleased at what it looks like back there. All right, I think we are good to go. What do you guys think? It looks like more volume than I usually have. Of course, my hair is really straight. Every once in a while it gets a little tiny curl in it, but for the most part, my hair is straight. And this is a really good straight style. If you have curly hair, you might have to use something like this brush more, because it'll smooth out your hair. This is an Essentia brush. It's just a thermal brush for blow drying. My favorite brush too. If you're wanting to do a style like this, you'll just have to basically use some kind of smoothing brush like this. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet and you want to watch my videos every Saturday, hit that little notification bell and it'll let you know when my videos do come out. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you like this hairstyle. Let me know, what do you think? Anyways, have a wonderful week and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!